What's up guys, back again with another video. Today we'll be taking a look at and unboxing a new pair of sneakers, which is something I'm not really into in general, but this is my first time ordering custom sneakers from Nike. This is basically a one-of-one pair of shoes. So what these are is Nike Air Presto. So yeah, let's get into it. This is the box, as you can see. It's quite a bit different from your regular Nike box, which is generally red and white. And yeah, so there's some info on the back about the swoosh Nike and a sticker out here. Basically spoilers, this is the color and the design that I chose. It says my name right here, the size made in Vietnam, although this has shipped from Hong Kong. So these are Nike Air Prestos or Nike Prestos, however you want to call them. The first thing is, like I said, the box is different. It says Nike by you. It's almost a plain box except for the sticker, which is unique. It'll say your name when you buy it. This is a custom pair of shoes, so pretty excited. Let's get into it. Okay, so let's see. The wrapping looks to be quite unique. As you can see, the shoes themselves. Let's get to the packaging. Let's see if there's anything unique. So this name on the shoes are trademark and guarantee of quality. These are the Nike stuff on this. Nothing spectacular, but I assume this is custom as well. Here are the sneakers themselves. So the reason I went with the Prestos is because of the unique shape of it. I quite like it. These are supposed to be designed by Nike Alpha Project, which is what these symbols apparently represent, which was the aim of which was to identify and solve problems faced by the athletes. And yeah, the base is made of rubber from what I can tell. This part is different from this part, which is Duralon. I think it's a mixture of rubber and foam, perhaps. And these were originally running shoes, but of late they have become lifestyle shoes. So there's a tag, a red one. This is my name, number. This is custom. All of this stuff, it's custom design, so the quality itself is pretty good. The shoes are quite light. Of course I haven't worn them yet, but other than that, yeah, I'm quite happy with the quality. Definitely worth investing if you want a custom pair of shoes. So yeah, I mean, these are mainly for comfort and going about your day. There's a lot of customization options on the Nike website, so yeah, if you like, you can just pick one up for yourself. Hope you like the shoes. Not that I'm a shoe reviewer, but yeah, quite satisfied. Well, like and subscribe.